Hey guys, it's Bay Reviews here, and I'm back with another unboxing for you guys today. And today, as you can see here, I have the new released World Spriggan. So here's what it looks like on the box, if you want to see that. And there's a bunch of different modes to it, just like Lord and the Chosy, and it sort of like has a resemblance to like all of the Spriggans that were created in Beyblade, which is really cool. So right before we get into unboxing 2, I just want to say to go check out this seller right here on Shopify. Or you can see that, okay. She's a really good seller because, well, what I like is there's really fast shipping, which is pretty good. You get one of these thank you and stay safe cards, plus you also get these 2 things. So you get this like Beyblade Burst sticker here, and then you have a Beyblade Burst trading card, which I think is really awesome. So now let's get right into the unboxing. Okay guys, so I just opened up the box, and here are the parts here, just still in the packaging. And then here are this little packet with the stickers in it. And I'm gonna pause the recording and I'll show you guys all the parts when I finish opening it up. Okay guys, so here are all the parts. I'm not gonna put on the stickers just yet, but alright, so there is World Spriggan right there. It looks really cool. Now let me just show you what it looks in left spin. So, yeah, this is left spin with like the, here's this. And let the camera focus for a second so you can see that. Okay, so there it is right there. Pretty cool. And now I'm gonna switch it to right for probably most of the battles. Here is the chassis 2B, which is really cool. It rotates all the way around. And then last part, Unite Dash is, and then I'll show you guys what the full bay looks like together. The clicks are decent. They're okay. Alright, and here is the full bay. It looks really awesome. So, there we go. And how about now let's do some battles. Okay, so first I'll do World Spriggan versus the limited edition Lord Achilles. There we go. Let it rip. 3, 2, 1, let it rip. Okay, that was sort of a mislaunch on the Achilles, so let me try that again. Okay, here we go. 3, 2, 1, let it rip. 3, 2, 1, let it rip. Alright, let's see who has more stamina. Okay, so it looked like Achilles won that round, but both of the tips are rubber, so their stamina does wear out pretty quickly. How about let's do against Regalia Genesis. and a burst finish right off the bat. And right before we get into the next battle, I just want to point out this one thing. So these tiny little red blades on the side pop in and out for a better attack. They're sort of like Genesis Valtrak, but that's pretty cool. So now let's do a couple battles with in left spin. Okay, so I got it in right spin here, and let's go up against Brave Valkyrie. Wait, left spin. Alright, let's see. It looks like it's gonna be close. And World Spriggan takes the win by just a tiny bit. So let's do one more battle. How about let's do Regalia Genesis again. And let's see if we can burst it in one hit again. But in the left mode. Alright, here we go. Actually, let me relaunch Genesis because... Alright, here we go. 3, 2, 1, let it rip. And that was a really quick ring out finish. So, I think if you want good ring out finishes, I'd say go for the left mode of World Spriggan. But I'd say if you want to get like bursts and stuff, I definitely say go for the right mode, spinning World Spriggan. Okay, and I think that's going to be it for today's video. Make sure you all drop a like and leave a comment down below if you like this video. Just one more thing, check out this seller at BeybladesAndMore.com. Really good seller, and I hope you guys all have an amazing day. Bye.